Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to show or hide legend key of chart in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Then we want to show or hide legend key. Go to the insert menu, then click chart option, then insert a chart. Then click the legend and click right button on our mouse. Then go to the format legend entry. Then click the drop down menu and choose legend. Then go to the data, then check mark of the show the legend without overlapping the chart. Otherwise check mark on. And click the chart element, then check mark off or on the legend. Then we can see here we hide or show legend key very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.